Welcome to English Storycraft. Cafe in the Rain. On a rainy afternoon, a small cafe in the heart of the city was a warm and welcoming place. The cafe was called the Cozy Corner, and it was the perfect spot to escape the cold rain. Inside, the smell of fresh coffee and baked goods filled the air. The cafe had big windows, and the rain made a soothing sound as it hit the glass. Anna, the cafe owner, loved her job. She always greeted customers with a smile and made them feel at home. Today, she was especially busy because the rain had brought more people in. James was the first customer. He was a businessman who came to the cafe every day. Today, he sat at his usual table near the window. He was feeling stressed and hoped that a hot coffee would help him relax. Emily came in next. She was a student with a big exam coming up. The rain made her feel anxious, so she wanted to study in a quiet place. She found a corner table, opened her books, and started studying. Tom was a musician who had just moved to the city. He was looking for a place to play his guitar and get some inspiration. The rain had made him feel a little lonely, so he was glad to find a warm, friendly cafe. As the afternoon went on, more people arrived. They all enjoyed the cozy atmosphere of the cafe. The rain kept falling outside, but inside it was warm and cheerful. Anna noticed that everyone seemed to be in their own world, so she decided to bring them together. She walked over to James and asked if he wanted to try a special new coffee blend. James smiled and thanked her. Then Anna went to Emily's table. She asked if she needed any help with her studying. Emily smiled back and said she was doing fine, but appreciated the offer. Finally, Anna approached Tom. She asked if he would like to play some music for the customers. Tom was happy to share his music and played a few gentle songs on his guitar. As Tom played, people began to listen. James put down his newspaper and enjoyed the music. Emily took a break from her studies and relaxed. The music made the cafe feel even cozier. Soon, the rain started to slow down, but the cafe was still filled with warmth and laughter. People started talking to each other, sharing stories, and making new friends. James talked to Emily about her studies and gave her some tips. Emily told James about her favorite books and asked for his recommendations. Tom joined their conversation, and they all talked about their dreams and goals. By the time the rain stopped and the sun began to peek through the clouds, everyone felt happier. The cafe had turned into a place where people could connect and share their lives. Anna looked around and felt pleased. The cafe had become more than just a place to drink coffee. It had become a special spot where people could find comfort and make new friends on a rainy day. As the last customers left, Anna closed the cafe with a contented heart. She knew that on this rainy afternoon, the Cozy Corner had truly lived up to its name.